to Think Maths. We are in class 10 Maths, chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions. In this session, we are going to discuss about the fourth problem in exercise 5.1. So, what is the fourth problem? Which of the following are arithmetic progressions? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. So there is a list. We have to check whether it is an AP or not. AP means arithmetic progression. So if it is an AP, we have to find 3 more terms. Next 3 terms. So let us start checking this. Here the first problem is 2, 4, 8, 60. So if it is an AP, we should get the common difference as same for all the consecutive terms. Let us check that. Here the first term A, which is denoted as A1 or A, which is 2. And the second term is 4. Third term is 8. Fourth term is 16. Now we have to check D. D is nothing but A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. So this should be same. A2 is 4 minus A1 is 2. 4 minus 2, it is 2. Next A3, it is 8 minus A2, it is 4. So 8 minus 4, it is 4. Next A4. So A4 is 16 minus A3 is 8. 16 minus 8, it is 8. So here D is not same. So D is not same. If it is not same, then the given list is not an arithmetic progression. So if it is not an arithmetic progression, we cannot find the next term, next 3 terms. Okay. So it should be same. This answer should be same. If it is same, then it is an arithmetic progression. Then we can find next 3 terms. So let me move on to this again one. Here this list is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. So the first term A, it is also A1, it is 2. Second term is 5 by 2. Third term is 3. Fourth term is 7 by 2. We have to find D. D is A2 minus A1. A2 is 5 by 2. A1 is 2. So we have to take LCM. If you take LCM as 2, here you have to multiply by 2. So it is 5 minus 2 into 2. So 5 minus 4 by 2. 5 minus 4 is 1 by 2. So in this way you can take LCM. That is, you have to take the number which is in the denominator as LCM, which is 2. Here we don't have 2. So you have to multiply and divide by 2. So the multiplication is denoted here. Next one, A3 minus A2. What is A3? It is 3 minus A2 is 5 by 2. So another way to do LCM is you have to make the denominator same for both the numbers. Here we have 2. So here in the first place, first term, you should have 2 in the denominator. So you should multiply by 2 in the numerator to make it as 3. So multiply and divide by 2. Minus 5 by 2. So the denominator is same for both. So you can take 2 as LCM. Then it is 3 2s are 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1 by 2. Next A4 minus A3. So what is A4? A4 is 7 by 2 minus 3. So 7 by 2 minus, I am going to make this denominator same. So if I put 2 here, I should multiply by 2. So it is 2 in the down, 7 minus 3 into 2, 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. So if you check this D is same for all n. So if it is same, then the given list is an AP. So then you have to find the next 3 terms. So they gave up to 4 terms. We have to find A5, A6, A7. So A5 is nothing but You have to add with the previous term 1 by 2. So previous term is A4. You have to add D. So D is 1 by 2. So what is A4? A4 is 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So here it is 2, 7 plus 1, 8, which is equal to 4. So A5 equal to 4. Next A6. A6 equal to A5 plus D. What is A5? A5 is 4. So 4 plus 1 by 2. So you have to make it as 2 in the denominator. So it is 4 into 2 divided by 2 plus 1 by 2. So which is equal to 4 into 2, it is 8 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 9 by 2. So A6 equal to 9 by 2. Next A7. A7 is A6 plus 1 by 2. What is A6? It is 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 9 plus 1, 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So I am writing here. So the next three terms are 4. Another term A6 is 9 by 2. Another term is 5. So this is the next three terms. Okay. I hope you can understand this problem. So let me move on to the next one. So third one is minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. So here the first term is minus 1.2, A2. A2 is minus 3.2, A3 is minus 5.2, A4 is minus 7.2. We have to find the common difference, which is A2 minus A1. So A2 is minus 3.2 minus, what is A1? A1 is minus 1.2. So which is equal to minus 3.2 minus into minus plus 1.2. So here one is negative, one is positive. We have to subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number sign is negative. So we have to subtract 3.2 minus 1.2. So 2 minus 2, 0. Here point 3 minus 1, 2. So it is minus 2.0. Next A3 minus A2. What is A3? It is minus 5.2 minus A2 is minus 3.2. So minus 5.2 minus into minus plus 3.2. So here also minus and plus are there. So we have to find the difference and put the sign of the bigger number, which is negative. So bigger number sign is negative and we have to subtract. So 5.2 minus 3.2. So 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. So it is minus 2.0. Next A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 7.2 minus A3 is minus 5.2. So minus 7.2 minus into minus plus 5.2. So minus and plus are there. We have to find the difference. And the bigger number has negative sign. So answer will be negative. So 7.2 minus 5.2. So all are subtraction. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 5 is 0. So it is 2.0. So all are negative 2.0. So that means D is same for all n. So if it is same, then the third sum is an arithmetic progression. So if it is an arithmetic progression, we have to find the next three terms. They gave up to 4. We have to find A5, A6, A7. So what is A5? You have to add D with the previous term. So previous term is A4 and you have to add D. So A4 is minus 7.2. So plus what is D? D it is minus 2.0. So it is minus 7.2 plus into minus minus 2.0. So if both are negative, put the same sign and you have to add. So it is 7.2 with 2.0. So 2 plus 0 it is 2. 7 plus 2 it is 9. So it is negative 9.2. Next A6, previous term is A5 and you have to add D. So A5 it is minus 9.2 plus D is minus 2.0. So minus 9.2 plus into minus minus 2.0. So both are negative. Put the negative sign and add. So you have to add 9.2 with 2.0. So 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 2, 11. So it is negative 11.2. Next A7, it is previous term plus D. So what is A6? It is negative 11.2 plus D is minus 2.0. So negative 11.2 plus into minus is minus 2.0. So with 11.2 you have to add 2.0. So it is 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 0, 1. So it is both are negative. Put the negative sign and the value is 13.2. So the next three terms are minus 9.2, minus 11.2, minus 13.2. So this is the solution. Okay. Next problem, fourth one. Here the first term is minus 10. Second term is minus 6. Third term is minus 2. Fourth term is 2. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 is minus 6 minus A1 is minus 10. So it means minus 6 minus into minus plus 10. So one is plus, one is minus. You have to subtract and it is bigger number has positive sign. So it is positive. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, the answer will be in positive and you have to subtract. So 10 minus 6, it is 4. Next one, A3 minus A2. What is A3? It is 2 minus, what is A2? A2 is minus 6. So 2 minus into minus plus, it is 6. 2 plus 6, it is 8. Here we got different numbers. So if you get different numbers, you can stop with this. So then we can say D is not same. If it is not same, then the fourth one is not an arithmetic progression. Okay. Okay, children. Next one. Here A is equal to, that is A1. First term is 3. Second term is 3 plus root 2. Third term is 3 plus 2 root 2. Fourth term is 3 plus 3 root 2. Now we have to find D. D is nothing but A2 minus A1. A2 is 3 plus root 2 minus A1 is 3. So this 3 plus 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled. Only root 2 will be there. Then A3 minus A2. What is A3? It is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A2 is 3 plus root 2. So it is 3 plus 2 root 2. If you multiply it by negative, it is minus 3. Minus into plus, minus root 2. So plus 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled. 2 root 2 minus, this is 1 root 2. So 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is 1 root 2. So it is root 2. Next A4 minus A3, which is equal to, what is A4? It is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. So which is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus into this one minus 3 minus into plus is minus 2 root 2. So plus 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is 3 minus 2 is 1. So it is 1 root 2. 1 root 2 can be written as root 2. So in all the values D is same. So D is same for all n. If it is same, then the given problem is an arithmetic progression. So fifth problem is an AP. So to find the next three terms. So next one we have to find A5. A5 is previous term plus D. So what is A4? It is 3 plus 3 root 2 and D is root 2. So 3 will be same. So it is 3 root 2 plus 1 root 2. So 3 plus 1 it is 4. So it will be 4 root 2. Next term is A6. Previous term is A5 plus common difference D. So A5 is 3 plus 4 root 2 and D is root 2. So it will be 3 plus 4 root 2 plus 1 root 2. So 4 plus 1 it is 5 root 2. Next A7 is previous term A6 plus D. What is A6? It is 3 plus 5 root 2 plus D is root 2. So 3 plus 5 root 2 plus 1 root 2. So 5 plus 1 it is 6 and you have to write 2 root 2. So these are the next 3 terms for this arithmetic progression. Okay, I hope you can understand. So I will move on to the next problem. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.42. So here the first term is 0.2 and the second term is 0.22. Third term is 0.222 and fourth term is 0.2222. So we have to find the common difference, which is A2 minus A1. A2 is 0.22 minus A1 is 0.2. So it is 0.22 and you have to subtract 0.2. So 2 minus here nothing, it is 0. So 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So the answer is 0.02. Next, A3 minus A2. So A3 is 0.222 minus 0.A2 is 0.22. Next 0.222 minus 0.22. We are subtracting. Here it is 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 2 minus 0 it is 2. 2 minus 2 0. 2 minus 2 0. So it is 0.002. So both are different. So here D is not same. So if D is not same, then the sixth problem is not an arithmetic progression. Okay. Next seventh one. Here the first term is 0. Second term is minus 4. Third term is minus 8. Fourth term is minus 12. What is D? D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 4 minus A4 is 0. So minus 4 minus 0 minus 4. A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 8 minus A2 is minus 4. So minus 8 minus into minus plus 4. Now here we have minus sign and plus sign. If the sign is different, you have to subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number has negative sign. If you subtract 8 and 4, 8 minus 4 is 4. Next A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 12 minus A3 is minus 8. So minus 12 minus into minus is plus 8. So signs are different. We have to subtract and the bigger number has negative sign. So it is minus 12 minus 8 is 4. So here we have D is same. So if it is same, then we have to find arithmetic progression. So seventh problem is an AP. So we have to find the next three terms. So A5 previous term plus D. What is A4? It is minus 12 plus D is minus 4. So minus 12 plus into minus minus 4. So if the sign is same, put that sign and you have to add 12 plus 4, it is 16. Next A6, A5 plus D. So A5 is minus 16 plus what is D? It is minus 4. So minus 16 plus into minus is minus 4. Both are negative, same sign, put the same sign and add the numbers. 16 plus 4, it is 20. So A7, A6 plus D. So A6 is minus 20 plus minus 4. So it will be minus 20 plus into minus is minus 4. Same sign, putting that sign and adding the numbers. 20 plus 4 is 24. So the three terms are minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. Okay, I hope you can understand. So the next problem, eighth one. Here the first term is minus 1 by 2. Second term also minus 1 by 2. Third term minus 1 by 2. Fourth term is also same. This means there is no difference. So we can check that. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 by 2. A1 is also minus 1 by 2. So you will get minus 1 by 2, minus into minus plus. So plus 1 by 2, which is, this is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 0. Next one, A3 minus A2. What is A3? It is minus 1 by 2 minus A2 is minus 1 by 2. So the same, minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2, which is 0. Next A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 0. So D is same for all n. Then eighth problem is an AP. So if it is an AP, if the difference is 0, then all the terms will be same. So the next three terms will be minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Because we are going to add only 0. So if you add 0, there is no difference. So all the terms will be same. Okay. Next ninth one. Here A1. First term is 1. Second term is 3. Third term is 9. Fourth term is 27. What is D? A2 minus A1. It is 3 minus 1. It is 2. A3 minus A2. A3 is 9 minus A2 is 3. 9 minus 3, it is 6. So there is some difference. So D is not same. If it is not same, then the given list is not an arithmetic progression. So next 10th one. Here A1 equal to A. A2 is equal to 2A. A3 is equal to 3A. A4 equal to 4A. So what is D? A2 minus A1. 2A minus A. It is A. 2A minus A. From 2A, if you take 1A, it is A. Next A3 minus A2. A3 is 3A minus 2A. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1A. Next A4 minus A3. A4 is 4A minus A3 is 3A. So 4A minus 3A. 4 minus 3 is 1. So it is 1A. So D is same. If D is same, then 10th problem is an AP. So if it is an AP, we have to find the next three terms. A5, which is A4 plus A. What is A4? A4 is 4A. So 4A plus A is 5A. A6. A6 is A5 plus D. What is A5? It is 5A and D is A. So 5A plus 1A is 5 plus 1. It is 6. 6A. Next A7. It is A6 previous term plus common difference. Previous term A6 is 6A and common difference is A. So 6A plus A, that is 6 plus 1, it is 7A. So the three terms. So the three terms are 5A, 6A, 7A. Okay. Next one, 11th problem. Here first term is A, second term is A square, third term is A cube, fourth term is A power 4. So D is A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1, A2 is A square minus A. So if I take one a outside from a square means a into a. So I took one a, so that will be remaining one a. Here I took one a, so it is 1. Next a3 minus a2. What is a3? It is a cube minus a square. So here a square is common. If I take a square outside, that will be remaining 1a here minus 1. So these both are different. This a into a minus 1. Here it is a square into a minus 1. So d is not same. If d is not same, then it is not an arithmetic progression. So next 12th one. First term is root 2. Second term is root 8. Third term is root 18. Fourth term is root 32. So what is D? A2 minus A1. So A2 is root 8 minus root 2. So I am going to convert this root 8 into root 2. So root 8 can be written as 4 into 2 minus root 2. 4 is a perfect square. So it is 2. So root of 4 is 2. So it is 2 root 2 minus root 2. So 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is root 2. In the same way, a3 minus a2. What is a3? It is root 18 minus a2 is root 8. So root 18 can be written as 9 2s because 9 is a perfect square. So I can write 9 2s are minus already root 8 is written as 2 root 2. That is root 8 is nothing but 4 into 2. So root 9 is 3. Remaining root 2 will be there minus root 4 is 2 and root 2 will be there. So it is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 which is root 2. Next a4 minus a3. What is a4? It is root of 32 minus root of 18. So this can be written as root 16 into 2. 16 into 2 is 32. I took 16 because 16 is a perfect square. Root 18 is 9 into 2. So which is equal to root 16 is nothing but 4. So it is 4 root 2. We cannot do anything. It is 4 root 2 minus root 9 is 3. Then root 2 will be remaining. 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So it is 1 root 2. So here D is root 2 which is same. So if it is same, then the given list is an arithmetic progression. Then we have to find the next terms. A5. A5 equal to A4 plus D. What is A4? A4 is root 32 plus root 2. So root 32 can be written as 4 root 2. So it is 4 root 2 plus 1 root 2. So it is 5 root 2. Again I am going to convert this as complete root form. So if you take 5 inside the root, you should take it as 5 square. So 5 square is 25 into 2. So which is root 50. Next A6 which is A5 plus D. What is A5? It is root 50 plus D. D is root 2. Root 50 is nothing but 5 root 2. So 5 root 2 plus root 2. So 5 plus 1 it is 6 root 2. So I am again bringing the 6 into the square. So 6 square. That is 6 into 2 which is root 72. Next A7, it is A6 plus D. What is A6? It is root 72 plus root 2. So root 72 is nothing but 6 root 2 plus root 2. So which is equal to 6 plus 1 it is 7 root 2. So if you want to write completely in the root form, if I take 7 inside, you should take it as 7 square. So 7 square is 49 into 2 which is 49 into 2 is 98. So the three terms are root 50, root 72 and root 98. Okay. I hope you can understand this problem. So the next problem, it is root 3 is the first term. The second term is root 6. Third term is root 9. Fourth term is root 12. Root 12. So what is D? A2 minus A1. It is root 6 minus root 3. So root 6 can be written as 2 into 3 minus root 3. So this is nothing but root 2 into root 3 minus root 3. So if I take root 3 as common, it will be root 2 minus 1. Next, A3 minus A2. What is A3? It is root 9 minus root 6. So root 9 is nothing but root 3 into 3 minus this 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. So it is root 3 into root 3 minus root 2 into root 3. So if I take root 3 in outside, it will be root 3 minus root 2. So here root 3 into root 2 minus 1. Here root 3 into root 3 minus root 3. So D is not same. So if it is not same, then 18th problem is not an arithmetic progression. Okay. So next, not 18th, I'm sorry, it is 13. Now 14th one. So the first term is 1 square, which is 1. Second term equal to 3 square, which is 9. Third term equal to 5 square, which is 25. Fourth term equal to 7 square, which is 49. So now what is D? A2 minus A1. A2 is 9 minus 1, which is 8. Next, A3 minus A2. What is A3? A3 is 25 minus A2 is 9. What is 25 minus 9? It is 16. So it is different. So D is not same. If it is not same, then 14th problem is not an AP. So last problem of this session, which is 15th one. Here the first term is 1 square, which is 1. Second term is 5 square, which is 25. Third term is 7 square, which is 49. And the fourth term is 73. So what is D? A2 minus A1. A2 is 25 minus 1, which is 24. A3 minus A2. What is A3? It is 49 and A2 is 25, which is also 24. What is A4 minus A3? A4 is 73 and A3 is 49. So 73 minus 49 is 24. So here D is same. So if D is same, then 15th problem is an AP. Then we have to find the next three terms, which is A5. A5 is previous term plus D. So what is A4? A4 is 73 plus D. D is 24. So 73 plus 24 is 97. A6. So A6 is A5 plus D. So A5 is 97 plus D is 24. So 97 plus 24 is, I think it is 121. 121 is nothing but 11 square. Why I am writing as 11 square means it is given some terms as power 2. So I am also converting some terms into power 2. So what is A7? It is A6 plus D. So A6 instead of 11 square, I am going to use as 121. 121 plus 24, which is 145. 145 is not a perfect square. So it is written as 145. So the three terms are 97, 11 square, 145. Okay. I hope you can understand all the problems. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. And also I am taking online class for CBSE class 10 maths. If you want any details, you can mail me. Also, my mobile number is 994447 2829. If you want to join, you can call this number and I will give you the details. Thank you. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support.